Oh my god. That's ridiculous. So pretty. The prettiest thing in the car. We're going putt-putting. We're at Putt Pie. I'm so excited.
I was about to say shaved ice. I don't know why that was the first thing I was gonna say.
We're at Shaved Ice.
We're at spot.
Also, I have a stomach bug. Whoa, you're professional. You got this. Yeah. Softball pictures. Softball pictures. This is awful. Oh, whoa.
I want to see swinging. I want to see eye on the ball.
I wanna see.
Whoa!
I'm gonna make it go slow motion.
Make your mom proud. Make Crowley High School proud. Yeah!
Mom, did you see that? Wait, why am I still good?
That's insane. Oh my god.
He's so cute. You got this. So cute.
There you go. There you go.
That was a good one. See me? Did you see what I did? Yes, dude, that's awesome. Yes, dude, that was awesome. Yeah. We batting instead of golfing, and I'm having a good time. For the batting cage.
Please tell me you're gonna have like montage music in this.
Oh, for sure. Slow motion.
Yeah, well that was good.
Oh no.
Montage music back on cue. Any words, any words, any words?
I'm tired.
I wanna try.
You wanna try?
To throw? Yeah.
Okay then. You got this. Oh wow. That was pretty cool. Nice. Oh my god, I'm sweating so bad. You like pink? My tummy hurts. Yeah. Hi! Hey! How was that experience?
Which experience?
Ooh, being a baseball mom.
I love being a baseball mom. This is my favorite song senior year of high school. I should definitely be a ball mom
At some point.
some point.
That was freaking fun. I'm kind of glad we didn't go putt-putting.
Dude,
And
standing there was dying.
what happened?
ATM isn't working.
Oh no, that's okay. I can get it.
Body language.
Yeah. Hey mom! Mom!
What?
Can we meet you at the house? My tummy hurts.
Yes.
Okay.
You were hitting like home runs. I did not know you had that in you.
Honestly, I didn't
Softball.
either. So, for this beach trip, Sophia bought me Happy Place by Emily Henry. Where are you going? I miss you.
You want me in here?
Yeah. I am currently on chapter 4, page 27. In love with it so far. It's like the best vibe so far. These 4 best friends met in college and were like forced to be roommates, but like ended up being like best friends ever. And it's just so wholesome. It makes it better because they're like in this little coastal vacation home.
And you're in a coastal vacation
Yes! It's just so nice. But there's like a love interest and they were gonna get married, but then they broke up, but now they have to pretend that they like each other because they're with their friends. And that's where I'm at. I really want to go to the beach and read it today. We'll see what happens. We're gonna make lunch. It's so cute. I think I have a stomach bug, so like eating is not my favorite thing to do right now. We got the spoons. Do you know where the utensils are?
No, I don't.
I'm confuzzled. I feel like it won't upset my tummy. For some reason, like the croissants didn't. Chips don't. Just like anything with any nutritional value hurts my tummy. After a fun morning of batting, we went home and just like rested for a while. We watched Safe Haven, which was like oddly enough my favorite movie in middle school. Later that evening, we went to the beach, just Soph and I, just read our little hearts out. It was really nice. And after that, my mom picked us up and we went to go crab hunting. I will have to disclaim it here in a sec. This next few minutes of us crab hunting, we did not actually hunt these crabs. We just caught them and then released them, of course. No crabs were hurt in the process, but I will say there's a lot of yelling. It's all out of just pure fun. So I just wanted to tell y'all that because I know yelling can be triggering. And I just wanted to let y'all know that like we will be screaming at the top of our lungs. But I did my best to like lower the volume, but headphone warners headphone users, beware. It gets a little crazy up in here.
Here, wait, I want to see. Cool. Oh.
Got it.
Oh. My gosh, she's so adorable. Ah, that's a big one!
Oh my god, it's so big!
Oh, it's so cute.
Can we name him Earl Fred?
Yes. Nice work.
PC!
We crab hunt.
We found Earl Fred. Part 2.
Very nice.
Oh,
buddy.
He's so tiny. Oh god.
It's in there, dude.
The dirt out.
It's a baby.
Do not want that big one anywhere near me.
I need flashlights and a bucket. You sound like a surgeon. Grab on it! Why do you keep going? They're right there! Oh my god!
Aww.
Oh god, you fell on it, I think. Yeah, I think so. One at a time? And that brings us to the end of this little video. This was honestly so fucking fun to relive. This was a beautiful day. It was so nice, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. The next vlog is really fun. We go to the pier. We have a blast. Another beach day is in store. Alrighty. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I won't be wearing the same thing to make an outro, but we'll see. I just might be. I love y'all.